Hey guys, and welcome! Today's video is all about natural makeup look with glass skin and bushy brows, because glass skin is so in and bushy editorial brows, I've seen them everywhere on social media, and I thought that it's a good idea to create this look for you guys and to show you step by step the products and how you have to apply them in order to achieve this makeup look. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become part of the MakeupbyRalu family. I am uploading a new video every week, and I'm sure you won't want to miss it, so go hit that notification bell right now and become part of my family. Okay, now let's jump in the tutorial. I'm starting my makeup today by applying my ultra favorite foundation, and it's L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I like it because it's super fresh, a little goes a long way. It's transfer resistant, it lasts all day long on the skin, and it looks super natural, and it doesn't shine, and I don't set it with powder at all. And it really feels like second skin. If you want your foundation to look like skin and not to feel cakey and look cakey, you have to really blend it and take your time and tap into the skin for like, I don't know, 5 minutes or depending on your time. But the more you blend it, the more natural it looks and the more prettier it looks. And now I'm going to apply concealer, the Fenty One Pro Filter Concealer, and I'm applying it in the inner corner and a little bit under the eyes. And now I am blending it out with the Fenty Mini Sponge. I like this one because it's so precise and tiny, and I can get in those inner corners, you know, and blend the product out really good. If you apply this tiny little bit of concealer, you don't have to set it with powder. It will look natural, it will look good, and maybe it will crease a little bit in the fine lines, but it won't be so noticeable. So I have some fine lines under my eyes. It tends to crease a little bit, but it looks natural and it looks good. Also, with this concealer, I want to highlight the bridge of the nose, the space between the brows, and also I'm applying the concealer all over the eyelid because it will act like an eyeshadow base. As I was telling you, today's makeup is going to be a natural one, and I'm going to use this Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette that I haven't used in such a long time. And I will take Salted Caramel and I will be applying it into the crease. I am using soft strokes and circular motions to blend out the color really nice. On the lid, I'm applying white chocolate with a flat brush because I want to open up a look, and this will make the eyes appear bigger. I'm applying the product in tapping motions and I'm blending out the edges. At the base of the lashes, I'm applying Triple Fudge. I am creating a tiny little line at the base of the eyelashes because later on I will be applying some falsies, and I want this to be my base for the eyelashes. On the lower lash line, I'm applying the same Salted Caramel eyeshadow with 231 brush from Zoeva. For lashes, I'm applying this one from Cupio 513. Now I'm applying a generous coat of mascara. I want to make my brows today super natural, but super bushy, super fluffy, those Instagrammable editorial brows, you know what I'm talking about. And my friend here, Gimme Brow, is going to help me achieve just that. Now it's time for some little glow, and I'm using this liquid highlighter from Flormar. Shake. I'm putting a small quantity on the back of my hand and With the setting brush from Real Techniques, I'll be applying this liquid highlighter. I'm applying it with tapping motions on the higher parts of the face, and then I'm blending it out with my finger so it looks more natural and it blends in with the foundation and it looks like skin. I bought this illuminator from Istanbul. At first, when I tried it in the shop, I wasn't impressed with the color, but when I arrived in the direct light of the sun, it really impressed me. It looks so natural. It looked like gloss skin. So I went back in the store and I bought it. And by the way, if you haven't seen my adventure in Istanbul, there is a vlog that I did. I'll put the link in the description box. It's my first travel vlog that I've done, and it will mean a lot to me if you would check it out and tell me your opinion. Now I want to bronze my complexion a little bit, and I'm using my favorite shadow. It's called Shadow Play from Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. As you can see, I have hit pan with this one. And I'm using this brush from MAC, I think it's 169. And I want to apply some color to the cheekbones. I'm applying a tiny little bit along the hairline, just to make the look a little more cohesive. I don't have to contour my forehead because it's already small. A little bit on the jawline. And with a smaller brush, I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. It's so important to contour your nose, it makes such a big difference. For blush, I'm applying this cheek stain from the Body Shop in Vineyard Peach. And I'm putting it on the back of my hand and I'm applying it with a synthetic brush from Morphe. With tapping motions, I'm applying it onto the cheeks. I like this product so much, it looks really natural. It stays put all day long, it doesn't move, it doesn't shine. And I think it looks so much better than a shadow blush. I will be contouring the lips with a lip pencil from MAC in Subculture. I'm applying Creep Cup from MAC. And to make it glossier, I'm going to apply Fussy from Fenty Beauty. Okay babes, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Also, please let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see in the future videos. What makeup looks would you like me to do, and I will be more than happy to do it for you. So please leave me your request in the comment section. Thank you so much again for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.